In this video, I'm going to show you how to label intervals in GarageBand. I'm thinking about the intervals you made with the arpeggiator last week in GarageBand. So go find your work and make sure you've recorded something, and then I want you to tap on the tracks icon. Next, tap twice on the track itself. In the menu appears, tap on Edit. Now these green triangles are the notes that were played, and you know which note it was by following the triangles over to the key it was played on. So for example, all these were played on a G, all these were played on an A, all these were played on a B, a C, and then a D. So remember, in order to start labeling the intervals, you're going to need to be able to match the triangles up with the appropriate keys. Remember, when counting intervals, use only the light gray areas, right here, 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 here. No dark areas. Those happen to be for the black keys. So when you're done, your project should look something like this. There's going to be two major things I want to see. First of all, an example of one of your intervals. For example, this is a step. In fact, I labeled two steps because this one is from an G to an A, right? G to A. This one looks a little different, but really it's still a step because it goes from B to C. Remember, we're only using the white keys. Now, don't forget, when you have to jump from here down to kind of start this little pattern again, this is a leap because we're going from the G to the D. And the second thing I need to see is a total. So for example, there were 26 steps in this and 7 leaps. You only need to do 2 measures or 2 bars worth of notes, okay? So you could start it with the 1 if you wanted, so it would be 1, 2, 3. In this case, I happen to start on the 2nd bar and go to the 4th bar. You're going to be doing your labeling and explain everything. We've used this app before. To start that part of the project, just take a screenshot of what you made in GarageBand. It should look similar to this. Here are the basic tools you'll be needing to really kind of do this project. First, use this to add your pictures. You're going to tap on existing pictures. Use this if you want to draw circles around particular intervals, and then you can use this to write your totals or also to label your intervals. Once you're done, tap on the export button. Then you're going to want to select image.